Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. This video is a 1Password tutorial for beginners. In this video, we will demonstrate how to create a 1Password account, the different membership plans, the account setup process, how to create a vault, and how to store sensitive and personal information in your vault. So watch this video till the end to better understand all these steps. 1Password is the easiest way to store and use strong passwords. With 1Password, you can log into sites and fill forms securely with a single click. To use 1Password as your password manager, you need an account on it. If you already have an account, click on Sign In at the top right corner, or else use this Try 1Password free button to create an account. Now on this page, you need to select a plan. 1Password has two account categories. The first is personal and family, and the second is team and business. For the personal and family category, 1Password has two types of plans. The first is the 1Password plan, which is at $2.99 per month and it is billed annually. The second is the 1Password Families plan, which is at $4.99 per month for 5 family members and it is also billed annually. For the team and business category, 1Password has three types of membership plans. The first is the Team Starter Pack plan, in which you can secure your team of up to 10 people for a flat monthly price. This plan is at $19.95 per month and it is billed annually. The second is the business plan, which gives you flexibility and control for your advanced business needs. This plan is at $7.99 per user and it is billed annually. The third is the enterprise plan, in which you will get all the business features plus services for your large enterprise. For the pricing of this plan, you need to contact the sales team of 1Password by using this Get Custom Quotes button. You can select any plan according to your requirements. One of the key benefits of using 1Password is that it has a 14 days trial for all the membership plans. Here we are going ahead with this plan, so click on the Try Free for 14 days button. This is the sign up page. Here on the left side, you will see some of the important features of your selected plan. Here, enter your name, then enter your email ID here. If you wish, tick this box to get the latest news and announcements from 1Password, and then click on the Create Account button. Here enter the 6-digit verification code sent to your email address and then click on the Next button. Now here create a password for your account and then click on the Next button. Now on this page, if you want, you can add your card details, which will be billed only after the trial period is over. If you don't want to add your card details now, scroll down and then click on the Create Account and Add Card Later text. Your account will be created and you will be asked to download your emergency kit. If you ever get locked out of your account, you will need your emergency kit to sign in. Download your emergency kit PDF and keep it somewhere safe. To download it, click on the Download PDF button and then you will be redirected to your dashboard. 1Password is designed for almost all OSs and it also has an add-on extension for many web browsers. To download the application, click here on the Get the Apps text. From here you can download 1Password. Simply click on your OS or browser. After downloading and installing the application, use this QR code to log in directly. For privacy reasons, this QR code will be hidden. Click on the Show button to view it. Now let's demonstrate how to create your vault on 1Password and store information in it. Come back to your dashboard and then click on the New Vault button. Now on this page, click here to change your icon and then enter your vault name here And here you can add a description for it, but this is optional. And then click on the Create Vault button. This is the Vault Details page. Click here to make changes in the details and click on the More Actions text to access the Delete Vault button. Now click on the View Vault text, and on the Vault page in the left sidebar, you will see categories of credit cards, identities, logins, and secure notes. To store information in your Vault, click on this plus icon at the bottom of the page. And then here you will see that there are almost all types of information that you can store, like login, secure note, credit card, identity, password, document, and much more. Let's add a login information. Click on it. Now on this page, here enter the title. We're going to add Facebook login credentials. Now enter your username here and then enter the password. Here enter the URL of the website, and if you want to add any note, you can write it here, and then finally click on the Save button. Now you can see that your Facebook login information has been stored in your Vault. To add new information, click on the plus icon again. This time we are going to store some text. So we're going to go ahead and click on Secure Note. Here enter the title for your note, and then here write down your sensitive or personal information, and then finally click on the Save button. Now your secure note has been stored in your Vault. Now let's add some card information. Again, click on the plus icon and then click on Credit Card. Here enter the title for your card and then enter your card details like cardholder name, type, number, verification number, expiry date, etc. Once you have filled in all the required information, then click on the Save button and your card details will be stored in your Vault. In this way, you can store as much information as you want on your Vault in 1Password. The process for storing information in all the categories will be the same. That is, just click on the plus icon, select the type, add the required fields, and then click on the Save button. If you have stored lots of items in your Vault, then you can use the left sidebar Categories section to sort them, or else you can also use this search bar. If you click on any item on the right side, you can view the information stored in it. You can use this star icon to add the item in your favorites list, and use this icon to view options of move or copy, duplicate, share, copy private link, and print. To make changes in the item, use this edit button at the bottom right corner. And with this, we have completed our tutorial on 1Password for beginners. This brings this video to an end. We truly hope you liked it. If you have any suggestions or want us to make a video on any specific topic, feel free to comment below. We will see you soon in our next video. Till then, stay tuned and stay subscribed to our channel.